Hawak sa mundo.
Ano yun?
Hawak.
Hawak niya ang mundo. Hawak niya ang mundo.
Hello mga lagan! Welcome back to my channel. This is the part 2 of our Chibari-Bari driving adventure. So, go na nga kami and our first stop was Umihotaro. Ganda. Pero, mas magaganda to. This is Umihotaro. Literally translates as sea fireflies, Hotaru. Umihotaro is built on an artificial island floating in the middle of Tokyo Bay. Ganun. Para kasi siyang firefly, Hotaru means firefly. Para siyang firefly sa gabi. Kasi yung mga lights niya na kumuputi-kutita. And unfortunately, you cannot reach Umihotaro via train. Kailangan car. Tapos, dadaan ka ng Aqualine. Yung Aqualine pala, tsaka ko na lang nalaman, ano pala siya? Underwater pala siya na na subway. Tapos, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung ginamit na grinder. Ito yung grinder na ginamit para para i-dug yung tunnel going to underwater going to the artificial island. Actually, ang Umihotaro is a parking area, a unique 5-story highway rest stop. Shape siya ng cruise ship. Tapos, yung 4th floor, yun yung may shopping and commercial area. Nandun mga souvenir shops. And on the 5th floor is the restaurant and food court. Kung sa food court din kami kumain, pauwi na kami kasi gutom kami. Sarap naman, ramen. So, grabe talaga. The structure itself, grabe talaga ang Japan. It was so amazing. Imagine, nagdag sila ng tunnel under the sea to reach the artificial island. So, since it was my first time here, dahil na sa mga kaibigan ko, thank you. Wala ang aming mga picture taking and emote. So, please continue watching. Thank you.